Incident management helps restore normal IT service operations while minimizing impacts to business activities. An incident is an unplanned interruption or quality reduction of an IT service, like email or local hardware or software. Users can report these incidents via email, self-service, the service catalog, or through the service desk. Incidents that are reported using email will be automatically inserted into the system. Users can also create incidents through the service catalog. If an instance is set up using the service portal, users can create incidents or report performance problems or outages. IT service desk staff or administrators can also create incidents for users who reach out to them through the service desk. After a user submits an incident, it's assigned to a group or user based on assignment roles. If more than one incident appears to have an underlying cause, you can create a problem to analyze and identify the root cause. When the root problem is closed, all related incidents will be resolved. If an incident exposed an issue with the IT infrastructure that requires a change, you can create a change request. Using incident management helps you identify, prioritize, and resolve incidents. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.